Let's talk about training. Within SYNTEGON, we look at 150 years of experience in the packaging industry. But looking ahead, we want you to be experts either for your existing machine or for your new equipment. With various formats, we will make sure that your team will be onboarded efficiently. Whether you will receive a new machine or you have to onboard new people into your operations. Moreover, we constantly want to increase your people's skill level to make sure to keep the production output high. Last but not least, we enable your team to become troubleshoot experts if anything unexpected happens in your operation. So how do we do this? By our customized on-site trainings by our experts. We will help you to understand the key features and processes of your equipment. Additionally, we help you to apply the gained knowledge hands-on at the shop floor with your machine. With our learning platform, you will have access to the SYNTEGON experience anytime, anywhere, on demand. We provide web-based trainings for you to get the fundamental know-how in an entertaining and interesting way. Moreover, we offer work instructions for your operations team to get hands-on support on the job with video instructions in a digital way. Let's talk about your individual needs for training and define your personal learning journey with SYNTEGON. So please reach out to us if you need any support.